Hello dear students, as you know we are studying unit 5th of your syllabus and many tests for convergence we have done. Now there is another type of series that is alternating series. It is very simple. You can guess from its name, alternating series. It is the series of alternating positive and negative terms. You can see u1, then minus u2, then plus, then minus, then plus, up to infinite. The general form of this series is n is equal to 1 to infinite minus 1 to the power n minus 1 un. Okay, if you put n is equal to 1, then you will get u1. If you put n is equal to 2, then you will get u2. Similarly, other terms. There are some examples of alternating series. It is simply one term is positive, then negative, then positive, then negative. Now, the main thing is here we have to discuss the convergence of alternating series. And there is only one test to check the convergence of alternating series, that is Leibniz test. What is Leibniz test? An alternating series sigma minus 1 to the power n minus 1 un is convergent if these two conditions are satisfied. The first condition is un plus 1 is less than equal to un for every n belongs to n, means it should be an monotonic decreasing series. It is simple. You can say second term is less than first term, third term is less than second term, fourth term is less than third term. It is simple. And the second property is limit n tends to infinite un is 0. Now we discuss it with an example. Now we are taking a simple example. You can see this is an alternating series and you have to find the convergence of this series. So this series can be written as in general form like this. So what about un? This is un. This whole is not un. Un is only 1 upon n. So the first condition, how to check this condition? First condition. So you can take un plus 1 minus un. Difference of un plus 1 minus un. If this difference is less than 0, then un plus 1 will be less than un. So un plus 1, what about un plus 1? It is 1 upon n plus 1 minus 1 by n. After solving it, you will get minus 1 upon n into n plus 1. You can see n and n plus 1 both are positive quantity. So it means this whole quantity is negative, means less than 0. It means un plus 1 is less than un. So you can see the first condition is satisfied. Now the second condition is limit n tends to infinite un. So it is simple, it is 0. So both the conditions are satisfied. So therefore by Leibniz test the given series is convergent. Now we go to next example, next problem. Test the convergence of this series sigma minus 1 to the power n minus 1 n upon 2n minus 1. So here un is n upon 2n minus 1. Okay. Un n upon 2n minus 1. So similarly, for first property un plus 1 minus un, this will be, what about un plus 1? Replace n by n plus 1 here. So you will get n plus 1 upon 2n plus 1 or minus un. Un is same, n upon 2n minus 1. So after all calculation, you will get minus 1 upon 4n square minus n. So you can see, what about this? This is always positive term. It is negative. It whole term is negative. So it means it is less than 0. So the first condition is satisfied. Now what about second condition? Now limit n tends to infinite un. So taken n as common, so you will have this, and for n tends to infinite it will be 0, and you will get 1 by 2, which is not equal to 0. It means second condition is not satisfied. So the series is not convergent. In this case, if first condition is satisfied and second is not satisfied, then you say series is not convergent, and in this case the series will be oscillatory. Now there are some problems for practice. You try these problems, and if you facing any problem, contact me on WhatsApp. Thank you.